Alright, back again. About to take out this blower motor housing and then take out the blower motor and change that, and then I'm gonna clean the blower wheel in there. I just took out the 3 screws. I got the motor unplugged. I got the main disconnect turned off. I used my multimeter also to check, make sure I don't have no power. Just as a safety precaution, because this high voltage we're dealing with here. But I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna disassemble it right up here, because as you can see, I'm in the attic. And lifting this through here is gonna be a task. So the game is to work smarter, not harder. I'm gonna take it out and disassemble it down here, or maybe over here. That way I'm still close to the unit when I'm ready to put it back in. All right, be back with you. All right, I got it out through there from over there. So I want to show y'all the blower wheel. Yeah, take a good look at that. See all that in there? Yeah, I'm about to take that out and clean it. Loosen that nut right there, or bolt. Sign off the shaft right there, some sandpaper, and then loose the bolts at the back. I'm not even going to try and spin this round to show you all those bolts at the back, because I'm done in a confined space and I'm holding my phone recording. So I'm gonna get back to y'all. Yeah. All right, got everything out. The housing over there, got the wheel here, I got the motor right here. About to take this out of here, downstairs, clean this out. I mean, this is really bad. Look at that. Imagine breathing that stuff in. You got allergies and stuff. You don't know why your allergies be acting up every time you turn the AC on, or every time you go home, your apartment. Could be this right here. Yeah, I'm gonna clean that and then get back to you. You know. All right, finally get everything out the attic. Well, the wheel and the motor. Take a look at this wheel again. It's pretty bad, right? It's pretty bad in your opinion, right? All right, just checking. And like I said, we changing the motor. So this the new one. It's the old one. Same exact motors. Variable speed BCMs. Oh, I gotta take this tag off. All right. So what I like to do is put them side by side, and then I take my marker right here and I mark exactly where the bracket goes off on the old motor to where it goes on the new motor. I do it on this side, and then I lift this bad boy over here, or lift this bad boy over here, and then do it on this side. That way I could line it up exactly how it came out of the housing. Shafts, same length. Yeah. Let's get to it. Alright. Get that all cleaned up. clean spots. Flip that over. Yes, clean. 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 Yeah. Clean. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Back up here. Clean blower wheel. Brand new blower motor. About to clean out this housing up here. It's not dirty, but I'm gonna still wipe it out. I'm gonna trust that craftsman farmer. Keep him cool in this attic, you know. I'm gonna do all of this, put this back together, slide that back inside the air handler, power it on, and should be good to go. Yeah. As you can hear, it's spinning in there. That's a job well done. Now, all that's left is to close this up, check my delta T split, refrigerant pressures, and good.